In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Wix. Whether you're looking to spice up your website with fun animations or simply want to add dynamic elements to your design, adding GIFs can be a fantastic way to enhance your site's visual appeal. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your internet browser and go to the Wix website. Just type Wix into your search engine, hit enter, and click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Wix homepage. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to do so using your account details. Once you're in, the next step is to access your website's dashboard. On your dashboard, look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App. This is where you can manage your site settings and make edits to your design. Clicking on this link will bring up a new menu. From this menu, find and click on Edit Site. Doing so will open the Wix editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now that we're in the Wix editor, let's add our GIF. Look towards the left side of the screen and click on the button that says Add Elements. This option allows you to incorporate various elements into your design, like text, buttons, and more importantly, images. Next, within the Add Elements menu, click on Image. You'll see a list of image-related options. We're focusing on the Upload and Import option, so go ahead and click on that. This will open your Image Management menu. In your Image Management menu, locate the Upload Images button and click it. This will prompt another menu to appear, where you will select Upload from Computer. Simply browse through your computer files to find the GIF file you want to upload. Once you've found your chosen GIF, select it, and it will be uploaded to your image library in Wix. In the image library, make sure your GIF is highlighted, and then click on the button that says Add to Page. This action will place your GIF onto your website page. And there you have it. Your GIF is now added to your Wix site. Remember, you can drag and drop your GIF to reposition it wherever you like on the page. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. By following these steps, you can easily insert a GIF to make your Wix website more lively and engaging. Enjoy customizing and let your creativity flow. Thank you for watching. And be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.